Hello friends, my garden lovers, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Let's see some of the plants that are ideal in your entrance at your home. So these gardening ideas from Tamara's garden, and if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel Tamara's garden. So the first plant that I suggest having at your entrance is the beautiful Erica palm. This is one of the air purifier plants, and also this is very low maintenance and permanent, ideal in bigger pots, ample spacious pots, because these plants couldn't be in small planters because they grow very huge and healthily in bigger ample pots. So when you're placing them in your home as house plants, indoor plants, you don't have to water on regular basis. Also you can skip that, and also this plant will grow really very healthily in the well draining soil. So this is the first plant that I suggest having at the entrance of your home. Next beautiful plant is the money pothos plant, which having, in my case, this is a huge leafy plant. Look at this pothos. So have one of them at your entrance, and this is also an air purifier and very low maintenance and permanent. Only thing is, do not overwater and do not let the plant soil gets too dry. So you'll have to keep it moistured at all times. Give a good spray in the morning and that plant will love it. Next ideal plant at your entrance is the ZZ plant. Its green lush look will give a very good atmosphere at the entrance, and also these are low maintenance and permanent plants. This plant you can grow with a single leaf cutting and stem cuttings as well. So this plant also you don't have to water on regular basis. One of the beautiful plants for your entrance. If you can keep one or two philodendron plants which need the mossball or the support to grow, so this is another plant that looks really very wonderful and eye-catching at the entrance. Very easy to grow plant, low maintenance too, beautiful house plant. Next beautiful eye-catching plant is these beautiful syngonium plants. These are also very low maintenance and permanent. You can grow them very easily, and also this is another beautiful plant at the entrance.